Speaking to one of the Israel's most popular news outlets, Idiot Aharonot, 87-year-old Professor Haim Eshed claimed that the majority of the humanity had been kept unaware of the contact as the world was not deemed to be ready for the news. Professor Haim Eshed ran Israel's national space security program for 30 years and has won the Security Award in Israel 3 times. The unidentified flying objects have asked not to publish that they are here. Humanity is not ready yet. Haim Eshed has reported this in Israel's Idiot Aharonot newspaper. The interview in Hebrew ran on Friday and gained traction after parts were published in English by the Jerusalem Post on Tuesday. A respected professor and retired general, Eshed said that the aliens were equally curious about humanity and were seeking to understand the fabric of the universe. Eshed also added that the cooperation agreements had signed between the species, including an underground base in the depth of Mars, where there are the American astronauts and alien representatives. There is an agreement between United States of government and the aliens. They signed a contract with us to do experiments here, he said. Eshed also added that President Donald Trump was aware of the extraterrestrials' existence and had been on the verge of revealing information, but he was asked not to do in order to prevent mass hysteria. They have been waiting until today for humanity to develop and reach a stage where we will understand in general what space and spaceship are, Eshed has said, referring to the Galactic Federation. The White House Department of Defense and Israeli officials did not immediately respond to the news which has been published in the channels. So, speaking in an interview, Eshed said that who has been served as a head of Israel's space security program for nearly 30 years, and he is also a 3-time recipient of Israel's Security Award, explained that Israel and the United States have both been dealing with the aliens for years. The 87-year-old former space security chief gave further descriptions about it, exactly what sort of agreements have been made between the aliens and the United States. And also, this corporation includes a secret underground base on Mars where there are American and alien representatives. If true, this would coincide with the United States President Donald Trump's creation of the Space Force as the 5th branch of United States Armed Forces, though it is unclear how long this sort of relationship, if any, has been going on between United States and its reported extraterrestrial allies. But Eshed insists that Trump is aware of them and that was on the verge of disclosing their existence. However, the Galactic Federation reportedly stopped him from doing so, saying they wish to prevent mass hysteria since they felt humanity needed to evolve and reach a stage where we will understand what space and spaceships are. So while it is unclear if any evidence exists that could support Haim Eshed's claims, they did come just ahead of recent announcement, and the group where the Space IL, the group behind Israel's failed attempt to land a spacecraft on the moon in 2019. So if you are Ready to get excited again? Don't forget to subscribe my channel, and if you like this video, please click on like button. What do you think about aliens? Does aliens really exist? Leave a comment on the comment box below. Thanks for watching.